Hi, this is Glenda, and I want to show you some things that I bought from Make Your Own. I got it out of the box because it was too big. The main thing that I bought was baking soda. The baking soda there was actually cheaper than buying it from the store, even including the shipping. Now here is Lanolin anhydrous, which is like an oil, and I'm gonna use this to make some mustache wax or butter. I'm not sure what it's called, but I got the book from Amanda Aaron, the one for men's recipes, and it was included in several of their recipes. I believe it's an oil that comes from lambs, if I'm not mistaken, and that is a popular ingredient for beer balms. Here is some chromium oxide, which I was running out, so this should last me a while. I got some shrink wrap for bath bombs because the way that I've been wrapping them, they're still getting humidity in them. I bought a couple of colorants, fluorescent pink mica and silver shimmer mica, which, I mean, this one you can see right there. This one looks dark. So it looks like a charcoal dark gray. Curious to see how it looks in soap. Also got some sodium lauryl sulfate. This is to make the bath bombs foamy, so that they create like bubbles as they dissolve. And in here, I like how they grab this. It's the fragrances. Alright, for the fragrances I have Jolly All Christmas. Let's see. It smells a lot. It smells good. A lot like a pine tree, with a different note in there. I can't tell, but I like it. It's not as masculine as pine balsam can be. Then Fireside fragrance oil. This smells good. It's more of a masculine scent. It's supposed to smell like what it says, fireside, like if you were next to a fire, but it actually smells like a nice men's cologne. Candy cane. It smells just like a candy cane, peppermint with a little bit of sweetness. Couture by Juicy. This one I bought to make a soap for my sister. So she likes Juicy Couture, but she'll be the best judge of whether it smells like it or not. I'm not familiar with the fragrance. But anyway, that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi, it's Glenda, and I wanted to show you my latest order. This one doesn't have any fragrances. It's mainly molds. I bought 2 of these molds. It's supposed to be able to make like 14 ounces of soap, so it's like a 1 pound almost. You probably get 4 bars, and I want to use them because I have several 1 ounce samples, fragrances that I want to test. I also have some neon blue mica. I was gonna buy the one that was on sale, but they were out of stock by the time I placed my order. And this one is a whole pound of green neon pigment, which I bought it because, again, it was on sale, and I have a project, a soap idea, in which I think this is going to be useful, and depending on how much you use of this, I think I'll be able to use it in a lot of other projects. I do make a lot of soaps with green color in them. And I bought this mold, which is like an oval mold, because my current oval mold I'm having difficulty removing it, so I hope, and it looks like this is the smoother silicone, so I think it should be easier. And when you spend a certain amount of dollars with them, at least that's what it seems to me, they send you some samples. In here they sent me firecracker mica powder, which is like a dark pink or a cool shade of red. And then this cabin fever, which is very pretty. It looks like a gold with green on it. And as usual, a little card with flowers, seeds, and a funny card. Yeah, that's probably what I look like when I mix up. Anyway, this is it. It was few items, but I'm very happy with them. See you next time. Bye.